What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Hey, it's a Friday. We wanna have a good Friday. It's been a great week, so to say. We put in some good numbers this week. The goal today is don't lose what we made this week so far. So let me get Think Your Swim up, and you already know what we trade in Tesla. Get right to that. Today is June the 26th. Very next day. All right, let's get a screen record going. Boom, boom. I got to start getting to the charts one more time because I am running a little behind. I like to look at the charts a little bit more than 8 minutes, but yeah, I got about 8 minutes until market open. Less than that actually, but right, we'll work on that. All right, we got the charts up. We can see right here, Tesla closed at 375.12 yesterday, man. It was just falling. And it's currently trading at 369. The market is turning over. Tesla is heading further and further down. Came all the way, touched 367 late last night. Let's go look at the daily now. Let's see what the daily is looking like. Boom. We're starting to fall through that level, man. I thought it was going to hold. But looking right here, previously where it ran up at, this can be an area where we fall through pretty quickly as well. Always do that. Remove those trades. Boom. Yeah, just like so we ran up pretty fast, like 1, 2, 3 days to get to this level. It can start moving pretty fast on the way down. Where it's going to slow down at, probably around this area right here, around 351, 350 area. Yeah, that's where the pivot was. That's where we are likely to catch. This is where the money was sitting to move us on up to the 450 area. So from 340 to 450. All right, let's go to our 5-minute chart. 5-minute. Boom. All right, we don't have a whole lot to work off of today. 369. So we already know the time frame analysis should show us, yes, all red, down, right? It's just falling over, right? Come back to the 5-minute. We're going to be looking for shorts either from here, from this level. Let's go ahead and clear everything out real quick. I'm going to leave it, I'm going to work it first. So from this level, you can probably find shorts, right? Or this level, if it gets ugly, we can find a quick push from 373 to 371.50 area. So that is going to be our trade for the day. Anything else outside of that, it's just not very clear. We may have a level sitting right here. I'll check for that, but I think it'll be weak. I think it'll get broken. 370 push right back to 371.50 area, and then continue down. Yeah. Let me see here. Not really using this trend line. I just like to look. Yeah. Hoping for a push back up to 371.50 and a push back down. If we can get to 373.50, I think we can definitely come back to 371.50. And you guys see it, I just play in between the zones. I expect zones to hold and break, and either I'm taking a short from here or I'm taking a short from here, right? If I'm taking a short from here, I'm wanting to get out here. If I'm taking a short from here, I'm wanting to get out somewhere down here, right? Cool. Let me get up trading view. Dial in my levels real quick. We got about 3 minutes and 55 seconds until market open. All right. So we sitting around what level? Let's see here. Like 371.15, and a gap down. Didn't notice that. 371.15, 371.50. We'll bring it lower. 371.15. Go red. Boom. Looks good. Above that, I do not want to see us push up to 370, 375. Can't see anything here. So 375, 35. 375. 375, 35. Boom. Boom. Where's the money? Uh-oh. Alright. 371, 13. 371. Cool, 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 cool. Let's pop another line here. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to open. And I don't want us to move higher, so let's see. 70, 11, come down. $370.11. All right, let's remove. Well, I'm gonna hold there. Let's remove this one here. Remove and remove. We're expecting a quick short trade, so we don't want price to get all the way up there. Not early. About a minute and 30 to open. I gotta trade. I'm gonna trade the downside, man. There's a lot of downward pressure right now. Long looking good. You know what I'm saying? Type double bottom. I've been watching the long, play out in my face, looking to get short, but because I'm putting my orders way up here, I'm expecting price to go there. Like, why not just play the long? Well, just like to go with the time frame analysis. All right, this is our playing field. Let's get back to the 1 minute. We got about 40 seconds till open. All right, same as yesterday, kind of. I want price to come to me. I'm going to set my order here. Sell 200, and where I'm coming. We'll get out. We'll look to get out around here if we need to. I'll just watch it. 10 seconds till open. I don't want this to open up and just take off to the upside. Pressure always gets relieved. Market is open. All right, we're in the trade. Currently floating around $100 up right now. It's moving away. Trying to push up. Nothing but selling. I'm seeing big orders of sales coming in. So let me see if we get a quick move down. It might move higher. All right. Good. All right. All this selling, I'm not getting follow through. I don't like it. I don't want us to start pushing higher. Okay, there we go. There's a follow through. Let me see the lows of that get broke. That's what I want. It's getting bought up. That's not good. Let's see what happens. I think it should start moving upside very fast. All right. I want to see the lows of these opening candles get broken. It's nothing but selling coming in, and that push down isn't happening. I may need to cut. Time frame analysis is still holding up. Got a couple moving averages sitting up there around 370, 125. All right, it's starting to look bullish here. Nothing but selling. It is like just a war right here. All right, cool. Go ahead and cut. And man, that was a slow burner. That's it. That's all I'm gonna sit there for. It's I'm seeing all this selling, but this is not. It's sitting around for 3 minutes. I was just a bit uncomfortable holding that because I was thinking we could just fly. We could just fly from there, but it was a good push down, good continuation. I got a lot of the move, so I'm happy with that. A good Friday, 392. Yeah, man. Hey, these videos are getting shorter and shorter. I think we're just getting better and better. I'm gonna try to get to the charts a lot sooner so that I can. I'm gonna try to get to the charts a lot sooner so that I can give a better analysis over what I'm seeing and why I'm making the decisions that I'm making to try to give you guys a better understanding. But look at that! Look at that push back up. That's why when it's good, it's psychologically, not psychologically, but whenever when you got your gains, man, you gotta take them and get out of the market. Like, look at that. Like, why would I go from being up 400 to being back and break even? You know what I mean? You gotta expect that off every candle. Like, after you've been in the market for so long and you start to, you can feel out the price action. This is a very bullish candle. It was coming down, but it was coming down. It was just iffy the way it was coming down. It didn't just slide fast. So, of course, I didn't have the confidence of holding that for an expectation for us to go even lower. Plus, we're sitting at lows right here. If I look left, a low, you got to expect a bounce. The first time coming to the lows. A lot of times I do. So, let's see. Yeah, like this is an area right here. So, and before we open, I was gonna pop a line right here at Mark, but I just said I was gonna watch it and just get out around there. So, yeah, um, don't be greedy. Take your gains and run with them and cut it off. Don't sit there and make multiple trades if you don't have to. I'm gonna show some stats here in a couple days. It's just like the less I trade, the more money I make. The least amount of trades I make, the higher my P&L is for the week. You know what I mean? But yeah, part of these gains are coming from sizing up as well. Like my starter was 100 for the longest. I know y'all saw that over the trade that I did share on YouTube, but even well before that, my starter has always been 100 shares with Tesla. So to be at 200 right now, yeah, there's no looking back, man. We gotta stick it out, make the right decisions every day, not be greedy, take what we got, run with it, continue to grow this account. And it's growing. It's growing pretty fast. I'm happy with what we got. Over the past few days, Tesla has been dropping a lot. Um, all this selling that came down out the open. Look at that 22,000 shares. We add all this up. All this came out in the first 3 minutes. You can see it 9:30, 9:30, 9:31. The first 2 minutes really. So it's just like if we didn't push down, there was no follow through out of all that selling. You got to kind of expect us to move a little bit higher throughout the day. You know what I mean? I feel like the effort was put in right here, but I don't know. Like we fell down 2 minutes later, but we come right back up. I kind of feel like this area will hold right in here, and we'll move a little bit higher throughout the day. But yeah, man, enough blabbing. We got us a 15-minute video, 16-minute video here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and get on with my day. I'll see y'all on the next one. Actually, not the next one. Today is Friday. Weekend's coming up. I'm looking forward to probably going on a hike or something. I'm in Cali now, so there's a lot to see out here, and I want to show that. Like you guys probably noticed, there's a walking tour video on my page. I went to the little Tokyo area down near Los Angeles and walked through there. So there's a lot to see here, and I'll be doing a lot more walking tours on the weekends and posting them. I think they'll do very well on the channel. But yeah, man, that's it. I'll see y'all.